making chicken salad here at the Young's house, and Gina Young is going to show you all how easy it is to make a delicious gourmet chicken salad. When I tell you this right here is going to turn your taste buds out, listen to me, you've probably never tasted a chicken salad like this. If you love chicken salad, this is your recipe. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some chicken. Now, I decided to use an oven roasted chicken, like one of those rotisserie chickens you can get at your local market. Or if maybe you have leftover chicken from yesterday, or some chicken in the freezer that you can boil up and shred. So either way, get some chicken. You're gonna need some celery, a nice beautiful onion here, and I have a really interesting ingredient. We're using walnuts. Walnuts is going in this recipe, and trust me, it's chef's kiss. All right, you're gonna need some grapes. I have some red grapes here. You have to make sure that they are seedless. If they're not seedless, you're gonna have to take the seeds out, and I know you don't want to do that, right? Your favorite mayonnaise, okay, any kind of mayonnaise that you love, that's what you're gonna use. And if you wanna put a little tiny bit of mustard in this recipe, you can. And also if you wanted to put a beautiful Granny Smith green apple in here, you can do that too. It's delicious. We got some spices to make everything come together and taste absolutely amazing. Here's what I'm using. I'm using salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make a delicious, savory chicken salad, Gina Young. You all are having a great day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. Do you love chicken salad? Do you love it the way we do here at the Young's house? We have this a couple times a month because it's so easy to make. It's super cheap. It tastes good. Anybody you feed it to, they're gonna absolutely love it. First thing we're gonna start off doing is let's go ahead and take your chicken, whether you boiled some chicken or you had leftover chicken, or you did like I did and run out to the local market and grab a already cooked rotisserie chicken. And you know what I do? I get the kind that's cold because they're cheaper. So I'm gonna take all of this lovely meat that tastes so delicious right off of the bone. And of course, you gotta discard of the skin and get rid of the bones, okay? Let's take every part. Don't just use the white meat. I see a lot of people, when they make a chicken salad, they're using just the breast. I use the legs, the thighs, the wings, the back meat. Get it all off of there, just like this. Quick and simple, right? So now that we have our chicken nice and pulled apart, I like to chop mine down. You don't want big pieces like this for chicken salad. No, you don't. So I'm gonna take my knife, and I just do like this, and then I'll double back and keep doing it until I get a nice shred. Or maybe you're one of those people that has the chicken shredder that you just do like that. I'm gonna get one day, because I make a lot of chicken salad. Okay, so let's chop it down. Just like this, quick and simple. This recipe comes together so simple. When I tell you, everybody's gonna love it. Here's the thing, make sure you make a lot, because they're coming back for seconds and they're gonna want more, and the next day they're gonna want more. I'm telling you, that's how good this recipe is. So could you ever imagine putting fruit in your chicken salad? Imagine it, because it's gorgeous, it's lovely, and it goes together like peas and carrots. You hear me? Go ahead and get our chicken that we've broken down right into like a medium-sized bowl here, and then we'll transfer it to another serving platter instead of serving it in the bowl that we mixed it in, right? Okay, and then when I come back, we're chopping up all our veggies and fruits. Go ahead and chop these vegetables up. I got one stalk of celery, and honestly, for me, one stalk of celery is just fine. But what I am going to do is make sure that it's nice and fine. Nobody wants to bite down into a huge piece of onion or a huge piece of celery. So I'm going to double back with this knife, just like I did with the chicken, and make it fine pieces. Oh yeah. So now let me know, I want to hear from you all. How do you make your chicken salad? Is it just a plain simple chicken salad? Is it the chicken salad that you make where you're opening up a can of chicken? I want to hear from everybody, because different people make different things. But I'm going to be honest with you, the chicken that comes out of the can is delicious too. If you didn't know that, or you've never tried it, it is spectacular. And there's so many recipes you can make with canned chicken. It tastes just, well, wait, Gina. I'm not going to say it tastes just like this chicken, but it's good. It's good. Let me hear from you. Let's get started with our onion. This is a small onion, but honestly, I'm not using all of it. I don't want to overwhelm my recipe. There's a certain flavor that I'm looking for, and so that makes me not want to use this whole onion, okay? This little bit of the small onion will do me just fine. There we go. Here's the thing. If you wanted to put some boiled eggs in this recipe, do you know you could? And yes, it's going to be spectacular. Sure it would. Go ahead and get our celery and our onions right into the bowl. And then I want to talk about the walnuts. If you don't want to use walnuts, you could always use a pecan and it would be just as delicious. I will typically use about a half a cup or even less and chop them down. Chop them down nice and fine, but not so fine where it turns into powder, right? But just enough to where when you taste this chicken salad, you get a bite of the walnut in every bite that you take. Go ahead and chop up some walnuts. That right there is plenty enough. Now these are already chopped up, but like I said, go ahead and chop them down a bit more. Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and put these lovely walnuts right into our mixture. Now listen to me, being honest, do not overdress your salad. There's a such thing as overdressing it. And what I mean by that is when you go to put your mayonnaise in there, don't make it too wet. You know, you don't want it too dry, but don't make it too wet. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with a little bit of mayonnaise, give it a nice mix, see what it's looking like. And then you can always add to. If in the beginning you put too much, you kind of mess it up. Just throw it away. Just throw it away if you put too much. Let's go ahead and take our grapes. Make sure you're washing off your fruits and vegetables like you have to. You know how many people has handled the fruits and vegetables in the local market? A lot of them. They sniff them. They do all kinds of stuff, right? So now these are big grapes. Okay, I'm just going to slice them down the half, making sure that they are definitely seedless because otherwise you'll have to take all the seeds out, right? And the purple goes gorgeous with this recipe. And like I said, let me reiterate that you could add a green Granny Smith apple in here. It's gorgeous. So in 2004, I know I'm going back. 2004 was the first time that I ever tasted chicken salad like this. And when I tasted it, I said, okay, that's it. I got it. I got the recipe and I love it. And when I make this for my family, they go absolutely wild over it. And how easy it is. I mean, here's the thing. We're going to season it. We're going to put some mayonnaise in it and we're done. Let me know how you serve yours because I like to serve mine with some crackers on the side, your favorite crackers, or on a nice croissant. Are you kidding me? Turn it into a sandwich. You could use croissant or your favorite bread, or you could just take it, put it in a bowl, and eat it with a spoon. Y'all, when I tell you, pack your husband this. Pack your wife this for work. This recipe is definitely fancying some people out. Let's go ahead and add our mayonnaise in, all right? Just like this. I'm starting off with that little bit, then I'm going to season it. Y'all, I like to put a lot of onion powder and garlic powder in mine. That's just my preference. I want you to do that too, right? On purpose, a nice amount. You want that flavor. If you can't use the salt, I always tell everybody, leave it out. It's okay, all right? But I'm going to put a little bit in, all right? Black pepper, and then we're going to give it a nice whirl around. And then, like I said, I'm going to take it out of this bowl and serve it in a completely different bowl. I want it to look gorgeous, right, when you serve it. Listen to me. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on, tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal, your hedge of protection, and your love. Amen. Let's taste. I can't stand the people behind the camera right now making me laugh. Let's taste. I know you want to taste. I'm about to give you some. I'm giving you the celery, the grapes, everything you want. Y'all, this is the chicken salad you must try. This is it. If you don't make this, what's wrong with you? Ooh.